Learning letters. We are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase y. Before we begin, remember, we can practice writing in a few ways. We can use our finger and practice writing our letters in the air, or you may gently use your finger to trace and press on your device's screen. Or if someone is there to help you at home, you can practice writing with a writing utensil and paper. Let's begin. This is uppercase Y. The uppercase Y has 3 steps. Watch closely. Step 1, we're going to start at the very top of our writing area and stop right at our dashed line. So we're not going all the way down just yet. Ready? Step 1, slanted line down to the right, stopping halfway. Step 2, we come back to the top, slanted line down to the left, stopping where we meet our step 1 line. Then step 3, we go straight down, stopping at the bottom of our writing area, our bottom line. This is how you write in uppercase Y. Let's practice again together. Uppercase Y. Get your fingers ready. Step 1. Slanted line down halfway to the right. Stop. Lift your finger. Step 2. Slanted line down to the left, stopping when we hit our step 1 line. And then step 3 is a straight line down. Very good. That is how you write in uppercase Y. Now it's your turn to practice writing the uppercase letter Y. Get your fingers ready. Remember, it has 3 steps. Go ahead and practice writing your uppercase Y now. Okay, if your uppercase Y looks like mine, then you did a fantastic job. Now let's remember, step 1 is a line down, stopping. Step 2 is another line down to the left and stopping when our 2 lines meet. And then step 3 is a straight line down. Great job. Now it's time to practice writing our lowercase y. Our lowercase y has 2 steps. Our first step, we begin in the middle of our writing space, our dashed line, and we do a slanted line down to the right, stopping at our bottom line. Step 2, we come back to our dashed line, the same level that we started step 1, and then we do a slanted line down to the left, but we go past our writing space and go all the way down. So our lowercase y has a tail. That is how we write our lowercase y. Let's practice one more time. Lowercase y. Get your fingers ready. Step 1, small slanted line down to the right. Stop, lift and come back up, and slanted line down to the left, going past our writing space and creating a tail. Very good. Now, it's your turn to do it all by yourself. Get your fingers ready. Practice writing your lowercase y now. If your lowercase y looks like mine, then you did a fantastic job. Let's see. Step 1, slanted line down to the right, stopping, coming back up, making sure my lines start in the same spot. Then slanted line down to the left, going past, making a tail, and that is the lowercase y. Good job. Now let's review. Uppercase Y on the left, lowercase y on the right. Fingers ready. Let's do our uppercase Y first. Step 1, slanted line down to the right, stopping halfway. Lift, coming back up to the top. Step 2, slanted line down to the left, stopping where our lines meet. And then step 3 is our straight line down. There is our uppercase Y. Now, fingers ready again. Let's do lowercase y. Remember, lowercase y just has 2 steps. Step 1, slanted line down to the right. Stop, lift, then slanted line down to the left, going past our first line and creating a tail. And there is our lowercase y. Great job. Now it's your turn to show that you know how to write our uppercase and lowercase y. Get your fingers ready and practice writing your uppercase Y now. Okay, I'm going to be in this left box, so here we go. If your uppercase Y looks like this, then you did it correctly. Step 1, line down. Step 2, line down, stopping where our lines meet. Then step 3, line straight down. That is how we do the uppercase Y. Okay, now let's practice doing our lowercase y. Again, it's your turn first, and then we'll check. Get your finger ready, and now practice writing your lowercase y. If your lowercase y looks like my lowercase y, then you did it perfectly. Great job. And that ends our lesson on learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase y.